Lions, the kings of the savannah. Wolves, the masters of teamwork. But what if these two legendary families see a lashed? Who really wins? Wolves don't just fight, they calculate. Their pack moves like a military unit. But lions, they're not just muscle. A pride is a tight-knit unit of powerhouses, capable of ambush tactics and brute force takedowns. Speed versus strength. Intelligence versus power. Cunning versus dominance. So, who wins? Some say wolves are too smart. Others say lions are too strong. But the truth, it's not what you think. Who takes the crown? Comment below.